Good morning, friends. Your spirit guides and your guardian angels are near. They are watching over you. We've all had major challenges that we had to overcome, and we need to let go of anxiety now. Calm your nerves, and you'll be able to hear the voices of the angels. There are final decisions to be made in the universe, and they say the universe is conspiring in your favor. A distant friend in the heaven is thinking of you, and they want you to bring the excitement back into your life. Do not back down from opposition, show strength and your fortitude, and that from the place of love within you. You are going to get news very soon. They say someone is gossiping about your secrets, but you must share the message of love. This will benefit others in the healing energy, and be mindful of each word that passes your lips. They say you are going to find balance and an increase in your money. Someone is extremely stubborn and unwilling to change, but there's love in the air, and you are protected from negative forces beyond your control. Positive and move forward with confidence. A magical encounter will change your life forever. A meeting with a stranger could be important for you, and it's time now for you to simplify your life. You've had too much going on that you spread too thin. This has to change now so your vitality can recharge. There is things coming your way which you're not ready for, but you have to take a leap of faith on the spot. You will find clarity and insight very soon. You're going to get recognition and reward for merit. You have a new attitude, and there's wealth and new paths opening up for you. Expect the unexpected. There's magic working in your favor. There's a new chapter beginning for you, and you must embrace the change. And once again, they say your guardian spirit watches over you. Feel their presence. Have a lovely day, everybody. I love you all.